Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech troubleshooting series. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Linksys routers. That mysterious blinking blue light, especially in the context of 2025 models. If you've got a Linksys device flashing blue and you're scratching your head, you're in the right place. Let's break this down step by step so you can get back online in no time. First off, what does a blinking blue light actually mean? In 2025, Linksys routers have advanced features like eye-driven connectivity and enhanced security protocols. A blinking blue light typically indicates that your router is trying to establish a connection, undergoing a firmware update, or dealing with a network issue. It's not always a problem, sometimes it's just the device working in the background. But if it persists, it could signal something like weak Wi-Fi signals or interference from other devices. To troubleshoot, start by checking your internet connection. Make sure your modem is powered on and cables are securely plugged in. Next, try restarting your router. Simply unplug it, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This often resolves temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, head to the Linksys app or web interface to check for firmware updates. By 2025, these updates might include smart optimizations for better speed and security, so keeping your device current is key. If the blinking continues, it might be worth resetting your router to factory settings, but be careful, as this will erase your custom configurations. You can do this by pressing the reset button for about 10 seconds. Also, consider your environment. In 2025, with more smart homes, interference from other wireless devices is common, so try moving your router to a central location away from walls or electronics. Remember, if you're still stuck, Linksys offers 24/7 support through their updated AI chatbots in 2025. That wraps up our guide. I hope this helps you fix that blinking blue light and keep your network running smoothly. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.